Happens now, dribbling the ball. Loves it to the side. Heavily guarded si Morao at naagawan.
Si Nabo, what a fake partner, using the class again.
Pwede na yung ilista, Sir Jan.
Yes.
Partner.
Once again, no, but again, naanteles kung sinong manalo nito. It's almost triple digit for both teams. No, they are showing us a good basketball. Bernal again attacking, dances and prances and shoots. Ilista mo na yan, Sir Iris.
Na pinapakita ni Barbecho Salcedo against two white shirts. Gives the ball to Brett. Barbecho attacks and foul and one for Barbecho.
And a very good movement on the side of the referee, skipping his right foot, anticipating the basket, if it will count or not. A very good development on the side of Pasut as they've already tied the game in the early 8 minutes of the third quarter, and an opportunity to take away the advantage with this 3-point play that will be awarded to Barbecho.
Tamangan at 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Short yung tirang yon ni Makali. And right now, nasa mga marunong naman ng bola. Ebe finds Ibes! And yes! Napakagandang pasa. What a play from Erasto Ege. Iba yung linararo nito ni Ibes kumpara nung kanilang first game na talagang sa tingin ko masyadong malamya. But right now, hindi naman siya ganun ka-flashy or ka-explosive, pero he's everywhere.
Yes, partner. Kung titignan.
Lanzaderas launches a 3, wala. What a crossover move by Bermacho. And what a shot by Ojimel Ojerio.
No, Ranieses once again attacking, shoots, passes it to the side. But Dersari was there with a good hustle. Pass it to Malyapre. Malyapre attacking the paint. Eurostep, shoots, and the basket counts. Jose has his first personal foul there. Napagandang atake ang ginawa ni Malyapre, recognizing that there's a mismatch in terms of height.
Yes, partner. So talaga, ito, maaasahan mo talaga to si Eugene Malyapre when it comes to mga situations like that, partner. Talagang iti-take advantage niya yan, yung mga back.
Is off. Abordo, steal by Jenmar Bragais. Bragais is rushing. 5 seconds. Loves it up to Malinaw! And ilista mo na yan sa ating top 10 plays of the week. Right now na both offense and on defense. And syempre yung outside shooting din ito, pakakabantayan natin.
Yes, partner.
What a pass by Ernesto Eche over Manlangit. And ilista mo na yan sa ating top 10 plays of the week for sure.
Na Horda, Promeno, Ofrasio, Lubragais na naman, nakita doon sa ilalim. Itong si Saturnino Malinaw.
Malinaw na malinaw, partner, yung pasa.
Malinaw pa sa Malinaw.
Grabe tong...
Pati yung tira, partner. Pilian yung crowd sa mga plays na pinapakita nila.
Yan na si Bornales, outlets to Ofrasio, block, pero nakuha ni Bornales ang bola. Gives the ball to Malinaw, flies, dipsy-doo! Grabe naman yun,
Very
partner.
skillful.